0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds, twin turbo 3.6. What's not to like? Kind of think I'm not taking the afternoon off. Speak to you in a minute. Today's a bit of a first for me. I am in, to all intents and purposes, a 993 GT2. They make 57 of these worldwide, to make numbers as they were homologating for racing. This one is not one of the 57. This was produced, it was originally a 993 turbo that had literally everything done to it in the Porsche Centre, Italy, to make this into a bona fide, if you like, almost GT2. So it doesn't carry the 1.5 million pound price tag that you would pay for one of these cars now, one of these 57. It does carry a pretty hefty price tag, of which I can't disclose because it's price of application. We're really chuffed to have this car with us today. I might be out for quite a while this afternoon. I'll see you guys back filming the day in the life a little bit later today.